In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to click on System and Update. Now click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on Corrections and Suggestions and manage all of those options however you want to, thanks to all of those switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!